Xin chào. Good morning everyone. My name is Sticky Rice. Welcome to my channel. Today the second day is Ninh Binh. The weather is very nice. No sunny, a little bit misty. And today I have a special experience I could love to share to you. If you go to Ninh Binh at the end of May or early June, you can see a lot of bright rice field. It's very beautiful with a yellow color, and that is the harvesting time. And today I want to show you how to harvest the rice. As you know, rice is the main grains in Vietnam. All of Vietnamese people we eat the rice, and also its main product for exporting to another country. Yeah. Okay, please wait a moment. I want to show you. This morning I asked the local people to just with them to harvest the rice. Now we will start my experience. Wow, a lot of water. It's quite musty here. Yeah. Rice, like the symbol of Vietnamese people, its cultivation. It dates back some 7,000 years ago in the Southeast Asia. It's also a fascinating symbol of the rural villages, because around 80% Vietnamese people live in the countryside. So the rice field is very typical, unique. That's why it's like the symbol of Vietnamese people. I'm sure you have seen many rice fields before. And today I want to show you how difficult and how hard to harvest the rice. And today we try with one family. His name is Quy. I have a sickle here. I want to try. I want to show you how to harvest. Look. Cái này mình gặt từ mấy giờ hả bác?
Từ lúc 7 giờ.
7 giờ. Cháu cô nha. Cháu đây cháu quay để cháu
ở đây rồi á.
Dạ. Cháu muốn nó làm đi du lịch. Vâng. Cháu muốn hướng dẫn cái cặt mình xem là nó vất vả như nào. So they came here at 7 a.m. Yeah. Because today's no sunny, a little bit misty. It's quite cool, so they come here is quite late. But normally in the sunny time, they come here around at 5 a.m. to harvest. If not at 8 or 9, it's too hot. You cannot cut the rice. So one family. Alright, so I want to try. I got a sickle from the family. It's quite curved here, right? Yeah, it's quite sharp. Alright, so we'll show you how to harvest, how to cut. So the left hand you can keep like this and cut it. Cái này mình cắt có dài không? Mình cắt thế này.
Cắt ngắn thôi.
Ngắn đâu, ngắn thôi. Ngắn đâu, nó độc lá.
Mình xếp lên đây đúng không?
Ừ.
Xếp lên
Ép đây cũng được.
Anh cứ để ngay đấy, để ngay trên này cũng được mà.
So you know that they have to cut by hand your sickle because this area a lot of water and musty. Yeah. So the harvesting machine is couldn't come here. But another side you can see it's dry. So the harvesting machine can come there. That's why they have to use the hands. Yeah. Use a sickle to cut. It is so hard. Yeah. Tired. I have tried this one before, but I have done it in a long time ago, and today we try again. That's an experience. Wow. I want to experience, yet to know how hard it is. You know, Vietnamese people will work very hard in the field. 80% Vietnamese people will live in the countryside. Yeah, and they're making money by growing the rice and vegetable. Yeah. And normally they have 2 crops a year. Yeah, this one is the main crop. They grow from February until now. At the end of May or early June, they will harvest. And second crop, from July until October. Yeah, they get the money from the rice field and from the farm. It's quite hard. But just get a lot of money. And you know how hard it is, right? After casting, he tie up the rice together, the stalks together, and then it puts on the mattress like this, and to carry it to the road another side. Because here the water and musty, so the couldn't use the scooter or the truck to carry the rice. It's very hard work. Yeah. Put this one on here. It's not so heavy. It's easy. I am strong enough to carry. Let's go. It's like a boat. I can carry 10 times like this. Okay. Right, so now I will put the rice on here. She just shared to me she have very beautiful daughter. I think I will spend the whole days to support for them. Why not? It's so skillful now. I think it's better than the first time.
Whoa.
And let's try. You know, when we work long time, it's a bit hot here. And that's why I know a lot of old people, like my mother, my grandmother. Yeah. So she's quite hurt on the back, and when she go, she often go like this. Because when she go young, she's got a lot in the field. That's why now when she gets old, she's go like this. It's musty, but it's fun. I take a rest a little bit, and I know, and I'm sure you know how hard it is. But I like this one. And he says he have 800 square meter in this field, and it take them around 2 days, yeah, to complete this. And after that, you know, after harvesting, they put the rice here, and they wait for the machine to separate the rice seed from the stalk. Yeah. And the rice here, that is just jasmine rice. And in Vietnam we have sticky rice, and we have jasmine. Yeah, and this one is jasmine rice. It's very, very popular. Yeah. And after separate the rice seed from the stalk, and they need to dry, they spread out on the communal jars, on the highways, on the road, to dry it in around 3 or 4 days. And after that, they preserve in the dry area and to use until the next crop. And you know, the rice here, nothing equates this. You can use to make the noodle, make the cake, and the steamed rice. And this one you see, yeah, we go. This one is stock. After separate from the rice seed, we could dry this one. We can make the broom, or we can make the roof of the house. Yeah, this one. Nothing equals this. It's so interesting. Alright, so I take a rest here a little bit, and we go back to the field to head them, and then I will go back to my homestay. And this afternoon I will go to the CucPhuong National Park. It's the largest national park in Vietnam. And thank you very much for watching this video. And if you like this video, please like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to see my videos every week. Thank you very much.